And that, my dears, is how you apply your eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. So today we're going to do a get ready with me video, and I want to focus on how to apply eyeshadows. So I actually got this question over on Instagram, and I was like, you know what, let's make a video about it. So that's what we're gonna do. So obviously we need to start with our face, and apologies, I'm getting this hair together, so we'll see y'all how this all comes together. But anyway, let's go ahead and get our face done. It is very hot today, but I actually want to try this, I think it's Ciate. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's a dewy primer with vitamin C, dragon fruit, and yuzu extract. So I got this from my Ipsy subscription, excuse me. So this is what we're gonna use today. And if I need to, I'll go back in and add the Milk Hydro Grip. So let's go ahead and we're gonna do face first because I want to focus in on the eyeshadow. So for face, and we'll do brows. For face, we're gonna start with, let's see, it's hot outside today, so I really want this to be a very minimal look. I think I want to mix. I want to try the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. It's the Double Duty Beauty. This is in shade. What shade is this? Honey? We'll see. If it's too late, I'll go with my NARS, but. Let's see. Let's do the Huda Beauty. Ooh, let's do Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in Hot Fudge. Blend that out. Okay, so I think we are set with foundation. I am actually going to go ahead and do my brows now. I've never done my brows like this, you know. I always do my brows first, but I'm trying a new technique, so let's see. Let's see where we go with this. All right, this is the Mentor Cosmetics Pick a Brow Pencil in the shade, I think it's black, or like dark brown, black brown, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out a little bit, and then same thing on this side. All right, I don't know what happened today, but these brows look great. Okay, so brows are done. I've never done I have done my full face first. I'm trying to debate if I want to do that or just focus on the eyes now or later. Let's go ahead and just keep going with the face first. So I'm using the, this is the Lip Bar Concealer here. This is the Tarte Double Duty Wear Concealer in Deep Honey. I'm gonna go back. Let's go. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush, which I'm actually liking the brush more than the sponge. I think I'm getting a better blend, at least under the eye when I use the brush. I've been really liking that, and then I can go over it again with the sponge, but I'm actually feeling this. So I'm gonna bring that down, blend it alongside the nose. And you see that I'm still going on the eyelid just because I have excess concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it here. And then you'll see I'm still gonna prime my lids with concealer later. Okay, so that's one side. I'm gonna do it again here. We're just gonna blend it out, down and out, and then get as close to the under eye as possible. Alongside the nose, and then carry it to the eyelid if you have to. Yeah, I think I'm getting a better finish with that. Okay, so we're gonna set the face. I got these puffers from Amazon. It came in a pack of like 6 or something for $8. You've probably seen a lot on TikTok. Now we know why. I'm gonna go ahead and use my one size setting powder. God, I love mess this up. Okay, because I'm wearing white. Oh Jesus. Okay, so taking a little bit here, trying to like scrape off any excess. I'm just gonna set. So far so good. White is still intact. Drop it down. Nose. Okay, I have successfully gotten through that. All right. Do a little bit of bronzing. I'm gonna bronze here. I'm taking this brush, what we're gonna use to go right up there, like that. All right, that looks good. So, continuing with the face, we're gonna use the Rare Beauty. This is the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Love. I'm gonna blend it out. You could use your hands, you could use a sponge, but I like to use a brush really for everything. But I'm just gonna blend it out, and then we're gonna go over it with the Sahara Blush Volume 2 palette in that orange shade Utopia, which you guys know is one of like literally one of my favorite blushes. So we're gonna go over that with a yellow, just to kind of play with some color and some dimension. We got like yellow, we got nice little terracotta, skin glow. Okay, and then to top it off, we're gonna do a little bit of highlighters. Oh, it broke. This is the Minted Peach of the Stars. Somehow I dropped this powder and we're gonna just use it lightly and go right above. I'm a blush girl. I love blush, so I'm pretty heavy-handed with it, but you don't have to be as heavy-handed as I am. So before we continue, we're gonna set our face so that way all of this product is in place. And to set our face today, we are going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So now that's drying down, we can get into the eyes. So for today's look, I'm really going for like this purple lilac vibe. So I'm gonna wear like this cute blazer. I'm gonna wear like my little Yankees hat, my sneakers. It's a vibe. So we're gonna go in with the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette. I've used this before on the channel. This is a great starter palette, I think, for anyone that is wanting to use makeup but also doesn't want to be overwhelmed with like these bright neon colors. Like they have a little bit of everything. They also have a lot of good matte shades. So this is the palette we're going to use today. I may or may not dabble in some other options, but for the most part we'll be in this palette. You can pick this up from a Target or a Ulta or the Chapter website. So eyeshadow. Because I have this concealer on, I'm actually going to do one more layer of concealer, and I'm going to use the lip bar one again. Okay, you guys, so I brought you in closer so that way you can see it. But basically what you want to do is get a transitional color first. With the NYX palette, you could use the this like reddish brown color here. That's what we'll use. You want to get a brush that's something kind of fluffy, a little dense, but it's typically called an all over shaded brush. And once you apply that product, you want to just smear it like a windshield wiper, kind of like where you feel your eyebrow bone, and just go right in that direction. Okay, so next you can kind of play in whatever color you want that's gonna go with your outfit or something that you want to play with. Because I'm doing a purple vibe today, I'm gonna use a couple of shades of purple. Some softer colors are gonna kind of be like pastels, but still complement the shade all over shade of color and the outfit. Okay, you can take another dense fluffy brush, a little angled this time, and that's what you'll use for your next shade. Okay, so going in with this like purple color here, the soft mauve purple, I'm gonna go in with that second brush. I'm gonna tap some product on it. I'm gonna tap any excess off, and then really from the halfway point here, I'm just gonna tap and blend backwards. So from the halfway back. And depending on how close your hand is to the brush, like the closer I am to the tip of the brush, the more precise I can be. But if you want a loose look, then you can hold the brush back and it'll kind of just place gently and loosely. I hope that makes sense. But I'll show you. So like here my hand is so far back that I'm just lightly brushing it. But if I wanted something more compact, then I would hold it closer to really pack in the makeup wherever I want it to go. Now the next type of brush you would want is something that's like a flat blending brush. So something like this that's flat. I'm gonna actually go in with a pretty light, almost blue color, which looks like this, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And I'm actually gonna blend it with a pretty green that I saw in here. So we're gonna do like a blue green, and we're gonna just actually pack it in like that. Okay, so now that I've added this, I'm just gonna take this blending brush here, something fluffy. I haven't put any product on it. And we're just gonna take it and blend in circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend in like this whole eye. So that way it's not so stark with lines of where you started and stopped with all the eyeshadow colors. That's really pretty. Okay. Now if you want, you can do an inner corner highlight. I'm kind of feeling that today because I'm gonna wear lashes. So taking, this is called the Luxe pencil brush, but it's pretty compact, so you can kind of see. I think I'm gonna do this metallic purple. I'm just gonna go right in the inner corner. And I kind of want to mix it with a little bit of this like green. Purple, I'm gonna go with the green. And that, my dears, is how you apply your eyeshadow. Morning, the time that you're watching this, good evening, hello, hope you are doing well. Again, another PSA, because as I was editing this makeup video, I realized that I lost the last video clip and footage rounding out the video with the outro and the intro and all things. So I'm so sorry this video ended so abruptly, but I do hope that the video was helpful in some regard as to like the how-to apply your eyeshadow. The only thing that you missed was putting on lashes and kind of like wrapping up the video, which you've all seen plenty of times before. So I just want to pop in and just say I'm really sorry that the footage for these last few videos have been so chaotic. But again, as you know, I've had phone issues that meant I lost the data and the footage. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm going to wrap up here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if this like how-to was helpful. If you would like more how-tos, I'm happy to do that. As I'm learning, I want to share. So thank you all again for watching. I love you dearly. I am so sorry about the footage, but I hope it was helpful in some possible way. And until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.